Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Pusoy Gaming. So, ngayon, PvP na naman, no? New season para sa season 11 ng Lord's Arena. So, before tayo mag-start ng PvP, so pag-usapan muna natin yung bagong update ni Lord 9 this coming Wednesday, March 18. So, yung una, yung tinatawag nilang specialization system. So sabi doon, where ang specialization is a system where the total mastery accumulated over time and handling various weapons is elevated into new power, providing an innovative growth path that further enhances a character's traits. So may dagdag tayong traits dito, no? So paano ba man-lock to? So sa sabi dito, it's not open to everyone. It's privileged to server. So may unlock requirements yung total weapon mastery level 96. Total weapon mastery experience level 96. Anong ibig sabihin nito? So the mastery of all weapon is some, not just a single weapon. So sa pagkakaintindi ko, so dapat total, no? So kung may dalawa kang mastery, for example, may example sila dito, 93 na sword, tapos bow mastery, so 94. So isa mo tong dalawa, 180 na, no? 187. So yung ganun lang pagkaintindi. So unlock talaga siya, no? Kasi 96 lang yung nila, yung requirements, total sum. So ibig sabihin, addition, di ba? Addition. So kung may 50 na SNS, tapos 46 na bow, so pwede siya. So tama ba ako? Tama ba? Parang ganun ata, no? So parang ganun yung pagkaintindi ko. Sum kasi sa sample naman nila, hindi naman nakalagay no na dapat may level 96 ka na weapon. Hindi naman sinabi dito. Wala naman sinabi dito, no? Ang sabi lang is total sum. So sa example nila, sword mastery level 93 tsaka bow mastery level 94. So unlock talaga siya, no? So parang ganun. So ano bang meron dito? So may points ka para ma-activate mo yung mga effects traits. Anong mga as you earn weapon mastery XP. So dagdag sa XP experience. So may trait effect. Ano ba yung dito? Wala siyang skill, no? So yung mga lang, yung mga passive. So hanap-hanap na kayo ng mga passive na magaganda. So pwede na kayo magpa-level. Pa-level na kayo ng magagandang passive na mga mastery, magandang mga So kunin niyo yung magandang mga mastery doon. Parang ganun, yung mga passive lang ata. Walang skill siguro, no? Passive lang. Yun lang siguro, pangdagdag, no? So yung isa, yung artifact, pangdagdag na naman, pangbudol, dagdag sa dagdag sa CP natin. So kung yung mukhang magna 90 na tayo dito pag makuha natin to artifact. So parang dagdag weapon, naman to item, equipment. So dapat may helmet, may armor, may clothing din, accessory meron din. Meron ding skills. Wow, no? So may unique unique skill para exclusive lang talaga sa artifact. So yun, matataas na update to. So possible this this Wednesday, March 18. So yun lang, no, yung ito yung mga magagandang update natin. Abangan natin to, guys. So yung specialization, napakaganda nito, no? Yung passive siguro dadagdag sa natin, sa stats natin. Hanap na kayo ng mga ito, mga passive, sword and shield, max HP, pangit. Pangit yung sa NSS na pangit. So wala na tayong oras, mag-PvP muna tayo, guys, no? PvP muna tayo. Gamit tayo ng SNS, guys. Naka guardian build, level 80 na tong SNS natin. So kung tama yung hinala ko doon sa specialization, ma-unlock natin yun. Kasi yung natin 80, saka yung pero pangit, maganda yung sa sa battle shield. Ewan ko lang sa ano, no. Check natin. Bare hands. Same pa rin. At ito sa bare hands, guys, magandang passive. May attack speed. Kuha na natin, walang problema to. May recovery pa. Kunin natin to. Ito yung mga magagandang ano. Sa bow, check natin. Passive. May attack speed din. Pero range siya. Hindi natin to pwede, no? Kasi melee tayo. Siguro melee to melee. Okay. Start na tayo, guys. Gamit tayo ng SNS. Tabat na tayo. So, miss natin yung SNS natin. Yung season na naman. Pwede tayo mag-ano. Masakit kalaban natin. Nakabaw. Uy, teka lang. Skill natin gagamitin dito. Tama lang ba ito yung skill natin? Uy! Yun na, mali na naman tayo, guys. Walang damage yung kalaban natin. Buti na lang. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track, keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on, feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best, die with no regrets, live with every breath, see my message. Nakalaban natin dito. Uy, parang nakalaban ko na to dati, ex-legendary. Nakalaban ko na to dati, guys. Talo ko na to, ewan ko lang ngayon. Baka nag-ano na siya, nag-improve na to. Siguro mataas na CP dito. Overcome tayo agad dito, guys, para wala silang bawas. So, check nyo. Wala pa ring bawas ex-legendary. Mataas na CP ata dito eh. Taka level 90. So mali yung ginamit natin ano, guys. Mali tayo gumamit ng clock. Hindi pang melee. Ubus oras talaga. Uy, namatay siya. Wala talaga siya damage, guys. Level 90. Ilagay muna natin yung mga clock natin dito para makapag-change tayo. Ito pang magic. Ito pang melee. Staff user, naka-legend, GG tayo dito. Pag ganito, guys, kita nyo ng kalaban, overcome agad para wala ng damage sila. O, see? Pag naka-overcome ka, wala na silang nun. Uy, namatay agad. Sabi naman yun. Oh. Masakit yung ano, no? Masakit ang ano, SNS. Kaso lang, wala siyang, dalawa lang yung ano niya, pang disable. Pero medyo malambot lang. Ito din, no? Great sword. Ito, guys, pag ganito, naka-guardian kayo. So nakita niyo ng kalaban, overcome agad. Para wala nang bawas yan. Oh, see? Pag wala silang bawas. Pa-return pa tayo. Wala pa yung ano natin, internet. Uy, nangyari dun? Mga low CP ata yung mga nakalaban natin. Eto, maganda. Sana hindi tayo mag-lag dito. Palit muna tayo ng clock. Magmimili tayo ng clock. Medyo lagi tayo guys. AFK yata to. Wala akong damage, piso. Sabi yung lumalabas yung shield defense nyo. Level 90 na to eh. Hindi kaya CP nito. Ayun, bumanat na din. Sakit nito. Matalap talaga, wala tayong damage eh. May dead side dito. Sana aabot yung ano natin, overcome natin. Mukhang hindi na aabot. Walang damage tayo guys. Pero kung nakano tayo doon, naka battle shield tayo. Okay, magba-battle shield tayo. Battle shield tayo guys.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my
Yun, wala na siyang damage.
always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along.
Lagyan natin ng partida kanina.
Die with no regrets, live with every breath. See my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah,
You know.
I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah.
Pang matagala na, yun. Dito na talaga makaalaman. Oh, see? Level kasi yung ano natin eh. Yun. So GG tayo. Wala tayong damage. Pero hindi siya nakapatay, no? Ano naman dyan mataas na CP dun eh. So balik tayo. Okay. Sinis tayo. Dito guys, overcome agad. Para yung HP natin hindi magbabawas. Hindi masakit din to no? Sakit no? Lugi tayo. Masakit eh. Masakit si Snoopy. GG tayo.
Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track, keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on, feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best, die with no regrets, live with every breath, see my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems, try
Dito hindi na tayo magbabattle shield.
always do it on my
Sinis tayo dito guys.
get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing,
Sinis tayo dito.
give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving.
Dito overcome agad. Para hindi masyado makabawas no. Pero masakit din. Hindi tayo makapatira guys oh. Grabe. Grabing disarm. Bakit siya tumakbo? Di umabot yung ano natin.
Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once, I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what
Slow.
I want, yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun, shooters
Ito ba
gonna
yung slow nata?
and I'm gonna shoot until I fall, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up,
Uy.
never slow till
Wala na palang HP yun eh. Kaya pala. Tumatakbo na.
keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline.
Mali pa yung nasuot natin. Nakamili pa yung clock natin. Ito, dual dagger. Sakit nito eh. Dito guys, ano muna tayo dito? Dahil mag-skill to eh. Pagkatapos ng ano, dito na tayo return. Yan. Tapos baba na to, skill natin. Yan yung combo sa ano. Combo ng tawag dito. SNS. Pero wala siyang damage. Kaya natin to. Mamatay lang to siya.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to
Meron pa ba? Okay, last one.
never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying
Uy, SNS din.
always moving.
GG tayo dito.
Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself
Mukhang hindi pa yun hindi pa nakano.
die with no regrets, live with every breath.
So overcome, pagkatapos ng overcome,
I had so many,
mirror shield agad.
then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems.
Na-cancel.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know
Yan.
is to love
Tayo na naman.
never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of
Kaya natin to. Kahit level 90 to siya guys.
adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in.
Kaya natin. Hindi masyadong masakit yung damage niya. Yun ang una no, na-cancel ang ano natin. Cancel yung... Cancel ulit, cancel ulit yung overcome natin. Yun oh, matay siya guys. Level 90. Grabe naman kalaban to.
Listen up, cause I'll only say it
Lambot naman ang SNS na to. Tapos na. Yun lang guys, no? So, yun lang na. Yun lang. So, good luck sa bagong update natin. Ngayong March 18. So, ito, once again, it's me, Pusoy Gaming. Thanks for watching.